Friends, here you can see I got this package, the BYJU'S IAS kit package this morning. This morning this package got delivered. So you can see the package here. This is the packing. So you can see this is the only tablet. Okay, so this time only tablet got delivered. The books will be coming in few days. So you can find the books. Okay, there will be 18-19 books. So you can find the video of unboxing of that in my channel. So you can subscribe to the channel and there will be a lot of IAS and UPSC materials and everything will be coming on this channel. Okay, so without wasting time, let's open it and see what's there inside. You can see here the packing is there. Let's open it. Okay, so this went disastrous. Excuse me for that. Okay, this is the BYJU'S package, the main package. You can see here. It's actually well done. Packing and everything is so good. So let's open this. It's there inside. Here is the packing material and all. So here we have got the Lenovo tab. I have ordered the 8-inch tablet. You can see here. It's good in size. I think it's enough. Okay, so let's keep it aside and let's see what's there. I think this is the quality certificate for the tab. And apart from that, let's see what's there inside. Okay, so for this is the paper for EMI and all. If you are choosing for EMI, so you have to go for process and all. And if you are paying for one time, then also it's good. But BYJU'S have provided the EMI option, so it's good for you. Okay, so here is the main treasure inside this box that we ordered. Okay, so this is the tab. This is 8-inch tablet that I ordered for. You can change the tablet size 7-inch, 8-inch or 10-inch, and there will be some features like there will be SIM or not. So there is no SIM, I think, inside this. So let's see what's there actually. Okay, so this is the tab. Okay, this is the tab. Let's keep it aside and let's wait. Let's see what's there. Okay, so this is the adapter for the tab, and this is the USB cable. What's this? This is the warranty card for the Lenovo tab 8. Okay, so let's keep all these things aside and let's focus on this tablet. Okay, so let's see what's there. This is the main tablet. Okay, so let's open this. It opened. Okay, so this tab got opened. So for your kind information, there will be no apps and all there. There will be one single app, that is this BYJU'S Premium. Okay, so you can't use any app or something you can call or something. Okay, so there will be one single app that you can use, and this not a single thing will work, only this thing will be work, because means BYJU'S installs its own software so that the applicants don't get distracted over the WhatsApp, Instagram or something. So this is like a classroom. You can just go and see only the BYJU'S lectures. Okay, so this BYJU'S Premium app is, so you can see here all the subjects like polity, geography, economy, history, environmental and ecology, disaster management, internal security, essay and CSAT, and I think these are recommended videos, and you can resume the videos which you are using. These are the things you can see here. Okay, inside everything you can see there will be a lot of videos, chapters and videos on each and every topic like Masters, everything. Okay, so that's it. And you can search any topic, like you suppose you have to see article 2 to 4, there will be article 2 to 4 will be coming here. Okay, and all these suggested articles is also there. Okay, so I think this is really good. The software is really good, and it's made like that, means you won't get distracted to WhatsApp or something. It's like an online class or something, where everything is preloaded. You don't need internet connection. Every videos are preloaded. Okay, so let's see what's there. You can't actually see here. You can't access anything here. If you want to increase the brightness or something, here brightness option is there, so you can increase or decrease the brightness. Okay, what's there? Okay, you can connect Wi-Fi also. You can see here. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so that's it. Diagnostics, refresh, admin messages, settings are there. So main thing we need to know about, the main thing, the whole money we spent is for this icon, this app. Okay, so you gotta see everything. There are a lot of videos and all. Okay, so that's it. I'll upload a next video on the books which I'll be getting from BYJU'S for IAS program. Okay, so stay tuned and find that